This is actually so weird. Like, I feel nervous again. Okay. Wait. What's going on, y'all? Ooh. Nope. That's not what's going on. Let's try this again.
Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Just 'cause it's different and we're not the same.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It feels so it feels so good to be recording again. I feel like it's been forever. I haven't uploaded in a couple weeks only because I felt like in the past few weeks it wasn't the right time for me to be putting out any type of content, for me to be even recording, because there was a lot more important things going on in the world. But I'm back in front of the camera, I'm back recording and uploading, and I'm excited. We're going to be posting every week as I was before. Today's video is going to be like a behind the scenes vlog kind of feel of how I record at home. So right before quarantine happened, I turned my bedroom into an office / studio. It's a very simple, quick and easy setup. And yeah, so I'm going to be vlogging while I'm recording a video on Instagram hashtags. By the time you guys are seeing this video, the video will already be up. So it's all about hashtags and creating a successful hashtag strategy for Instagram for your brand. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing how I set up my room, how I quickly do my hair, the little bit of makeup that I do because I'm not a makeup girl, creating my thumbnails, doing my Instastory promo, the whole shebang. And yeah, so let's get to it. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh.
I got no trouble with my pride, got trouble cutting tight. I don't wanna be a ex. We were too good to be friends. Can we still hang out on the low? Get why I don't wanna be a get your get up with a sex when you're alone feeling stressed. I don't gotta be alone, but you to love you. I don't wanna be a someone treat me like you.
So now that I figured out what I'm gonna wear, before I put on the foundation and all that stuff, I'm gonna set up my lighting. I use what is it called? Whatever I'm using, I got as gifts, and I believe they're all from Amazon, honestly. So I use a ring light, this other big light. I forgot what it's called. I think it's, let me see, maybe it's on my Amazon thing. Amazon. And I guess none of this stuff, you can't even see me, none of this stuff was expensive, like at all. I only know that because I sent it to them. Okay, yeah. So I use a ring light and a soft box. And that's it. And I put my camera on a tripod that I think is also from Amazon. So 2 lights, 1 camera, and then I'm gonna set my phone up somewhere else when I'm actually recording, like recording the sit down video. I like to set up my phone somewhere else so that I get like little quick videos I can put on Instagram story saying like, oh, I just recorded a new video, da 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 da, kind of like a quick little preview, but I time lapse it so you don't know really what I'm saying. And I'll make the caption on my story something like, oh, just recorded a new video all about Instagram story apps coming this week, something very short and sweet to the point. So I'm gonna set my camera up somewhere and then my phone up somewhere. I'm gonna show you how I set up my quick little room, office, studio, all in one.
I don't wanna be a let's get the awkward running, or pretending like we're strangers, and get back to how we started. Yeah, don't pour out on fire. Just 'cause it's different and we're not the same doesn't mean things have to change. got trouble cutting ties. I don't wanna be a ex. We were too good being friends. Can we still hang out on the low? Get why I don't wanna be a, I don't wanna be a. Get your get up with a sex when you're alone feeling stressed. I don't gotta be in love with you to love you. I don't wanna be a, someone treat me like a. I don't wanna be a. I don't wanna be a. Don't act like I don't care for you, 'cause you know I'd always be there for you. Don't act like I don't care for you, 'cause you know I'd always be there for you. I don't wanna be your ex. We're way too good at being friends. Can we still?
So now let's get dressed, and then time to get dressed and then start recording. I think this is better. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Imani Murray, and this is my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're talking everything Instagram hashtags. And
Can we still hang out on the low? Get why I don't wanna be a, I don't wanna be a. We were too good being friends.
And that is how I film my YouTube videos. It was getting so hot in here. I literally was like dying. So I had to take a break, grab some water. But just finished that video. I'm gonna try and edit it today, honestly, so that I can get it up for tomorrow. I do need to, now that I think about it, I have to shoot a thumbnail. I gotta shoot a thumbnail. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do it. Cause what is this a video about? Hashtags? Ooh, that's gonna be interesting.
On the low, get why I don't wanna be a, I don't wanna be a. Get your get up with a sex when you're alone feeling stressed.
Okay, so it's the next day, and I just finished editing it. Instead of it going up today, I didn't want to force it. Sometimes I feel like I'm forcing a video and the edits, and I'm rushing to get it done. So I didn't want to do that. Ignore the light in the back. I never took down my equipment. So instead of forcing a video to go up today, I'm gonna schedule it to go up tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday at 12. So I just finished all the editing. I'm out of breath. So I just exported it. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube, schedule it for tomorrow. I made some changes to my thumbnail, and yeah.
I don't gotta be in love with you to love you. I don't wanna be a, someone treat me like you. I don't wanna be a.
I just finished putting in the hashtag, the end screen, the cards, the title, the description, the thumbnail. Everything is set to go. So the video is set to go live tomorrow at 12. Shoot. I gotta do my...
I don't wanna be a. We were too good being friends. Can we still hang out on the low? Get why I don't wanna be a, I don't wanna be a. Get your get up with a sex when you're alone feeling stressed. I don't gotta be in love with you to love you. I don't wanna be a.
Perfect way to build a successful I don't feel like adjusting my tripod and all that good stuff. But yeah, that one, this is the one I'm gonna go with for my promo. I always make sure that I keep the colors for each promo the same, so it's kind of like on brand. I should probably really just adjust the legs on my tripod, but I'm too lazy. So yeah, I make sure that I keep all the colors. So I do the pink and blue theme for every YouTube promo that I do on my story, just so that it stays on brand and so that it looks cohesive. I change the layout in them all the time, but definitely keep the color so that it just looks like it's cohesive. And when you see it, you know, oh, okay, she's talking about her YouTube video. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm gonna drop that tomorrow at probably like 11. And yeah, I'm exhausted. It's 10 o'clock. Well, 9:50, but 10 o'clock, and I'm ready for bed.